Have you ever wondered what the secret is to achieving financial freedom? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of money with an essential guide. Money, Master the Game by Antony Robbins. If you're tired of living on financial autopilot, this video is for you. Antony Robbins reveals in 7 steps how to master the money game and achieve the coveted financial freedom. Stay tuned because the transformation begins now. Antony Robbins, renowned life and finance coach, brings with him a wealth of experience that goes beyond the ordinary. In this introduction, we'll contextualize his remarkable transition into the financial world, highlighting how his influence and expertise have shaped the trajectory of thousands of people. Additionally, we'll address the fundamental importance of financial education, a central theme in the book, and how it can be the key to unlocking our true financial potential. Are you ready to embark on this journey? Financial freedom is within reach, and with 7 steps revealed by Antony Robbins, we're about to unveil the path. Let's dive in. Step 1. Decide your financial destiny. The first step toward financial freedom, as proposed by Antony Robbins in Money, Master the Game, is an invitation to authenticity and clarity in defining our financial destinies. Robbins urges us not to just dream, but to establish tangible and meaningful financial goals. The significance of this step lies in creating a clear roadmap for our financial lives, transforming aspirations into concrete objectives. Setting clear financial goals provides a defined purpose, encouraging discipline and focus along the way. To make this approach even more tangible, Robbins suggests practical examples that help us translate our ambitions into achievable goals. He guides us in creating realistic goals aligned with our values and vision for the future. By consciously deciding our financial destiny, we lay the groundwork for lasting financial success. This is the essential starting point for turning dreams into reality. Step 2. Master your inner villain. In the second step towards financial freedom, Antony Robbins takes us on an internal journey, exploring the complexities of psychological barriers in our relationship with money. This step involves identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs that can sabotage our financial efforts. Robbins challenges us to confront our inner villain, understanding the profound influences shaping our attitudes toward money. He emphasizes the importance of recognizing and challenging beliefs that may hinder us from reaching our maximum financial potential. The discussion in this step goes beyond theory, providing practical tips to cultivate a positive mindset. Robbins shares effective strategies to reprogram our beliefs and adopt a more constructive approach to finances. By gaining control over our financial thoughts and emotions, we pave the way for lasting financial success. The second step is, therefore, a crucial internal journey toward financial freedom. Step 3. Make money work for you. In the third step of this journey towards financial freedom, Antony Robbins takes us into the exciting territory of investments, highlighting the importance of making money work in our favor. This step not only reveals the essence of the money game, but also offers an in-depth insight into how we can effectively put our resources to work to achieve our financial goals. Robbins demystifies investment concepts, making them accessible to a broad audience. He provides insightful analysis of investment strategies, covering topics such as diversification, risk management, and investment timelines. By understanding these concepts, readers are empowered to make more informed and strategic decisions. Moreover, Robbins personalizes the approach by offering suggestions for investment strategies tailored to different investor profiles. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this step provides practical guidance to optimize your investments and build a solid path towards financial independence. This step, therefore, represents the key to turning money into a powerful ally on our financial journey. Step 4. Create the plan. In the fourth step towards financial freedom, Tony Robbins guides us through a crucial stage: the creation of a solid financial plan. This step represents the bridge between financial vision and practical execution, being essential to turn goals into reality. Robbins details the importance of a comprehensive financial plan, addressing topics such as budgeting and financial management. He highlights how financial discipline is fundamental for achieving long-term goals and how a well-crafted plan serves as the framework supporting financial success. To make this step even more accessible, Robbins provides practical suggestions for tools and resources. From spreadsheets to modern apps, these resources assist in the effective development and execution of a personalized financial plan. Step 5. Boost the savings game. In the fifth step towards financial freedom, Tony Robbins leads us to a fundamental practice: increasing the savings game. This step underscores the crucial importance of saving as a powerful tool for building a solid financial foundation. Robbins explores efficient strategies for saving, going beyond the simple act of setting money aside. He offers insights on how to maximize savings, considering both expense cuts and strategies to increase income. This step not only encourages financial discipline, but also provides a holistic view of optimizing our resources. With practical tips, Robbins guides readers on smart saving without compromising the quality of life. Additionally, he introduces strategies to increase income, offering a balanced approach to strengthen our financial position. Step 6. Make debt work for you. In the sixth step toward financial freedom, Tony Robbins delves into the intriguing territory of debts, offering intelligent strategies for managing them. This step highlights the importance of understanding the distinction between debts considered good and bad. Robbins provides insightful analysis on how we can transform debt into a strategic tool, making it work in our favor. He emphasizes that when used intelligently, debt can drive financial growth, provided we are aware and able to distinguish between beneficial investments and unnecessary expenditures. The discussion goes beyond theory, providing practical suggestions for effectively reducing debts. Robbins shares strategies to optimize credit use, empowering readers to make informed decisions that contribute to healthier financial management. Step 7. Create your defensive wealth. In the seventh and final step towards financial freedom, Tony Robbins focuses on the crucial task of creating defensive wealth. This step serves as a reminder that in addition to building assets, it's vital to protect the wealth acquired. Robbins details comprehensive strategies to ensure long-term financial security, exploring topics such as insurance and succession planning. He highlights how asset protection is an integral part of the financial game, often overlooked but crucial for ensuring stability and the continuity of the financial legacy. The discussion goes beyond theory, providing practical guidance on implementing defensive strategies. Whether through well-crafted insurance policies or carefully planned succession plans, Robbins offers valuable insights on how to safeguard the fruits of hard work. Conclusion. Our journey through the 7 steps to financial freedom comes to an end. But the real beginning is in the hands of each one of you. We've recapped the fundamentals presented by Tony Robbins in Money Master the Game, providing a practical guide to turn dreams into reality. Now, the challenge is to apply these principles to your life. Financial freedom is not just a distant goal, but a continuous process of learning and implementation. I encourage each viewer to take control of their finances by following the outlined steps. I want to hear your stories and experiences. In the comments, share how these steps have impacted your financial life, or suggest other transformative finance books. The community is a valuable source of learning and inspiration. I appreciate all viewers for joining us on this journey. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and activate notifications. We are committed to bringing more content related to finance and personal development to help you achieve your goals. Remember, financial freedom is an accessible path for everyone. With knowledge, discipline, and action, each of you can shape a prosperous financial future. Until the next video, where we'll continue exploring together the secrets to financial and personal success, take care.